Yeah. So here's the Curlin filly.
Yep, here's the Curlin filly on the outside.
Heading to Belmont, 1 or 2 yearlings sent in his way.
Best trainer in America.
Yes. Yep. Yep. Cigar.
European filly from Chryscolla.
There's the new Bay filly.
She's only going to go around once because she's
Inside.
less fit outside white cow.
And Gordo picked her out. David over at Tattersalls. You're right. That our compatriot David and Gordo picked up.
In Newmarket.
Newmarket, thank you.
Chryscolla.
Not too bad for 4 days of trip.
Yeah, and this is particularly impressive for her to come up here and stand before all this. Because she's only been going to the racetrack for 4 days. She's only been 30 to 40 days since she arrived from Europe. When she arrived from Europe, she knew nothing about saddle, bridle, riding. Okay, gracias. Yeah. So this would be Sweet Bliss, Curlin filly Sweet Bliss.
Yep. Bought her. Great Wygod family. You're talking decades of breeding as far as their lineage.
Pretty good size.
Yes.
Yeah, nice looking horse, man.
So you see off in the far
Curlin.
distance, the gunrunner fillies going through that little white gate, which they come through there a lot. That just teaches them to walk into a confined area and not be afraid. So that when we go back to the big gate back in the chute, they'll be more amenable. So they learn by repetition over and over and over.